In this video, you'll go through the steps required to set up a basic VIEVU Solution deployment, including how to properly and safely change your admin password, how to configure your VIEVU Solution website by setting up cameras, date and time, categories, retention values, tags, your agency logo, and unit locations, how to add roles that will provide specific security rights to different types of users, how to add users and assign each user with appropriate security permissions, and optionally, you can set up IP restrictions. Next, you'll learn how to download the VIEVU Solution connector software and how to get the software properly installed on your system. The VIEVU Solution connector is required for your system to communicate with VIEVU body cameras. And finally, after you've completely prepared your system, you'll learn how to assign cameras to users. When you finish with this step, you'll be able to immediately begin recording video and capturing what could be critical evidence. Let's get started. Before you perform any of the other setup tasks, it is critical that you secure your system by updating your admin password. If you have already updated your admin password, you can skip this step and move on to configuring your website. Log into your VIEVU Solution account using the website address provided in the welcome email. If you cannot find this email, please contact support by calling 888-285-4548. From the VIEVU Solution main page, click the Users tab on the toolbar across the top of the page. Then, from the toolbar on the left side of the page, click Users. A search box is displayed. Type Admin into the search box. In the search results, click the Add icon to the right of Admin and click Search. Click the Edit icon to the right of Admin. The Edit User window is displayed. From this window, change the email address to an address that you can access, then click Save. Click the Edit icon to the right of Admin again. Once again, the Edit User window is displayed. This time, click Reset Password. A confirmation window is displayed. Click Yes to confirm that you want to change your password. Within a few minutes, you will receive an email with the information to change your password. Click the link in the email. The VIEVU Solution password change window is displayed. Type in the current password you were provided. Type in a new password and confirm the password. Then click Save. Note that, for security reasons, all VIEVU Solution passwords will expire and must be updated every 90 days. To organize and control your VIEVU Solution system environment, you'll need to properly configure the website settings. You'll begin by logging into your VIEVU Solution website. At the top of the window, click the Settings tab. All of the configuration tasks are performed with the Settings tab selected. To adjust settings for the VIEVU cameras, click the Cameras icon from the left side of the toolbar. The camera adjustment screen is displayed. Adjust the settings as necessary in the section of your specific camera model. When you're finished making changes, click Save. Note that the settings on the camera are automatically updated the next time you perform a download from the camera. Next, you'll set the date and time for the system. To do this, click the Date and Time icon on the left side of the toolbar. The date and time adjustment screen is displayed. From this screen, select whether to use 24-hour time or 12-hour time. Click Save when you are finished. Note that the camera's date and time will match the system time. Each camera is automatically updated the next time a download is performed. A category is assigned to individual videos and files based on the type of incident each video or file contains. The retention value is the period of time, in days, a video or file will be saved in the VIEVU Solution system. From the left side toolbar, click the Categories and Retention icon. A results window containing all current categories is displayed. Click the Add icon in the top right corner of the results window. The Create Category window is displayed. Enter a name and retention period in days. When you're finished, click Save. Note that videos and files are automatically deleted based on the assigned retention values. Tags are keywords used to help describe videos and files. You can use tags to search for similar videos or files. From the left side toolbar, click the Tags icon. A results window is displayed showing the current list of tags. click the Add icon in the top right corner of the results window. The Create Tag window is displayed. In the Tag field, enter a tag name, then click Save. The VIEVU Solution software provides the ability to include your unique agency or department logo in the display area of the screen. From the left side of the toolbar, click the logo icon. The logo window is displayed. Click the Add icon in the left corner of the logo window. Then browse through your system files to select an image file to use for a logo. When you're satisfied with the image, click Save. Note that the logo image will be displayed at the top of all web pages within the VIEVU Solution. For the best appearance, be sure to use an image file with a transparent background. A unit is a logical grouping of users that usually relates to job function or physical location. From the left side toolbar, click the Units icon. A results window is displayed with the available units listed. In the top right corner of the results window, click the Add icon. The unit window is displayed. Enter a unit name and optionally a default category for this unit. A default category is used to automatically apply a category to videos that are uncategorized after 24 hours. Click Save when you are finished. Note that if an IP restriction is added, only computers with that public IP address will be able to access the system. Care must be taken to ensure that the IP address entered is correct, or you could be locked out of the system. This is not a required step for setting up your VIEVU Solution system. From the left side toolbar, click the Restrict IP icon. A results window is displayed. In the top right corner of the results window, click the Add icon. The IP restriction window is displayed. At this window, enter the start range and end range values for your IP restriction. When you are finished, click Save. From the left side toolbar, click Restore Deleted Files. In the Store Deleted Files for field, use the drop-down list to select the number of days to keep video files in the trash can before deleting them forever. Click Save when you're finished. Note that the trash can feature allows you to recover a video file after it has been deleted. As we discussed previously, security in the VIEVU Solution system is controlled by roles. Each role provides specific security rights, and each user is assigned a role. There is no limit to the number of roles you can create. 2 roles have already been created. The admin's role will have full access to the system, while the user's role provides only the average security level appropriate for most users. If you need to include additional security roles to control security in your organization, you'll want to learn how to add roles. To begin the process, log into your VIEVU Solution website. Next, click the Roles tab on the toolbar at the top of the window. From the left side toolbar, click the Add Role icon. In the Name field, enter a name for this role. Use the drop-down list in the View Cases field to select cases to view. Use the toggles to make your selections for each of the security options. When you have finished, click Save. There is no limit to the number of users that can be added to the VIEVU Solution system. To add users to the system, you begin by logging into the VIEVU Solution website. Next, click the Users tab on the toolbar across the top of the main VIEVU Solution page. From the left side toolbar, click the Add User icon. Note that if AD Sync is enabled, the following message is displayed. AD Sync is enabled. If you add a user, it will not be automatically updated. If you see this message, click OK. The Add User window is displayed. Type a name, username, and email address into the designated fields. Use the drop-down lists in the security role and unit fields to make your selections for the user. From the Add User window, you can optionally upload a photo and/or add a user ID. When you are satisfied with your selections, click Save. The user will receive an email containing a link to choose their password. Note that the email sent to your user will not contain a login ID or the website address to access your site. You will need to securely distribute this information to all users of the system. For security reasons, websites can't communicate directly with VIEVU cameras. To support the camera assignment and download process, a software application called VIEVU Solution Connector must be installed. With the VIEVU Solution Connector, you will be able to assign cameras, download videos directly from a camera to the cloud, and review video and add metadata to videos stored on the camera. Note that the metadata is automatically imported when videos are downloaded later. It is required that you install VIEVU Solution Connector software on any computer that will be used to assign cameras or download videos. Your next task is to download and install the software. To begin, log in to your VIEVU Solution website. From the toolbar across the top of the main VIEVU Solution page, click the Settings tab. From the left side toolbar, click Software and Documentation. Several links are displayed. Click the VIEVU Solution Connector Installer download box. When the app has finished downloading, click Run. Depending on your security permissions on the system, you may be asked for an administrator login and password to continue this procedure. Click the I agree radio button to accept the VIEVU Solution license agreement, and then click Next. You are prompted to enter your VIEVU Solution account name. In the account name field, enter only the personalized portion of your website address, and then click Install. When prompted, click Finish to complete the VIEVU Solution Connector installation. Restart the computer. When the restart has completed, a new icon for VIEVU Solution is displayed on your desktop. Now that you have the VIEVU Solution system properly configured, you can log into the system as follows. Double-click the VIEVU Solution icon on the desktop. Enter your username and password. Enter the account name. Remember, the account name is the personalized section of your website address, http://blank.vievusolution.com, where blank is your account name. Note that because the account name is saved after your first login, you won't need to enter it every time you log on. Last, but certainly not least, cameras must be assigned to the system before video can be downloaded. If you have accidentally recorded video on the camera before assigning it and you need to retain the video, contact VIEVU for assistance. To assign a camera, begin by connecting the download cable to the computer. You must connect the two larger USB connectors to the standard USB ports on the computer. On the bottom of the camera, slide the door aside to reveal a mini USB port. Plug the smaller mini USB end of the download cable into the camera. Note the up sticker on the mini USB connector should be facing the same direction as the front of the camera. If the small mini USB connector does not slide easily into the camera port, do not force it. Ensure the up dot indicator is pointing upward. When connected to the USB download cable or wall charger, the camera will begin charging. Turn the camera on, then log into your VIEVU Solution website. From the toolbar across the top of the main VIEVU Solution page, click the Cameras tab. From the left side toolbar, click the Assign Camera icon. The VIEVU Solution Connector application is displayed, and you are prompted to enter a username. Note that if you have not already downloaded and installed the VIEVU Solution Connector software, you must do so before cameras can be assigned. It is also important that you do not turn off the camera or disconnect it during the camera assignment process. Enter the name of the user or portion of the name to whom you want the camera assigned and click the magnifying glass icon. Matching usernames are displayed in the results. Click the add icon next to the correct user. At the bottom of the screen, click Assign. The camera is assigned to the user and you are returned to the VIEVU Solution Connector main window. From this screen, you can assign additional cameras, add metadata to videos, or download videos from cameras. Please note that users will need to be granted the permission to download videos to perform this step. Once the camera is assigned, the user can immediately begin recording with it to become familiar with its features. Once a video is uploaded from the camera, the video will need to go through a conversion process. Depending on the size of the video, this can take up to an hour to complete. The video will be accessible once the conversion completes. When a camera is unplugged from a wall charger, the camera will be in standby mode and ready to record. If not being used to record immediately, it is ideal to turn the camera off using the power button on the side of the camera in order to conserve battery charge. At this point, you have successfully completed the setup and configuration process, and you are now ready to begin using the system. For additional and more detailed information, download and review the VIEVU Solution User Guide from Software and Documentation under the Settings tab of your VIEVU Solution website, or visit www.vievu.com/support.